There. Recording started. Stop recording to save. Okay. Well, we are now saving locally. It is the 18th of September 2022. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
It's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. Past week, I didn't do anything I can think of. Coming week, I do think I will be doing things, and one of them is I want to reach out to our members and see if this very distracting summer is kind of tying up and where everybody's seeing their family for the first time in a long time and everything. So I'm going to, I think that's my first thing is to reach out to people who have been involved or interested and just see about them if they want to be on the stand-up. I definitely want to go ahead and install the level sensor. I'm just figuring out just how to do that. The LRW, I did think of an idea I'll discuss in crosstalk offline about the LRWs. That's something I did. I had a thought and I wrote it down this week. And blocks, well, I had a block which was that my phone was fell in the water and it ended up the front camera on my phone doesn't work, but everything else works. I dried out okay, but it did go to the bottom of a pool, and so I have a new phone, and that was a block because I spent at least 20 to 30 hours looking at phones, trying to get something that I liked. And that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This is my for the last 2 weeks because I missed last week. So the tank level project, I'm running version 0.5. Logging into my phone and on Telegram. The power usage is 150 milliamps out of that 5-volt battery back for while it's running, which is between 30 seconds and a minute, and then it drops to 46 milliamps for the rest of the time when it's in sleep, and that's not low enough. So I'm investigating relays to shut off the LiDAR sensor, which seems to take about 40 milliamps when it's just powered up and not doing anything. So I have to get better on that before we can run it battery powered. And no progress on the rest. Next week, I am hoping to do 2 levels in a row on the tank level project, separated by 10 seconds, and have that as part of the 30 seconds that I'm waiting for the Bluetooth just to wake up. And see if I can find a relay for an Arduino system that works and shuts off the TF Luna LiDAR sensor. I'd like to work on the mobile inverter, but it doesn't look like it's going to be happening. Blocks, my part-time job took over 30 hours last week, so I'm not exactly, I don't have a lot of time. And I did start a new project which is off topic, which I will mention. I'm taking apart a knitting machine for a grandniece. She is doing knitting toques, and she is looking to automate her knitting machine, which is an Arduino project that sounded pretty interesting. So I've spent a couple hours on it, not too much, and I posted one video, but that's not really a WIKISPEED project, so that's kind of in the blocks category. Anyway, back to you, Lauren. I think you're still muted.
That's one advantage. Disadvantage of this Pixel is it's a very small screen. I should be wearing glasses. I think I will get glasses on. So I'll give myself a 2 for showing up. And oh yeah, I did have a thought. So for showing up and having a thought. And the team we'll say 7. And process improvement is think of something that will inspire people and attract people, and also give us a kind of zippy face that we'll feel good about. And that's it for me.
Okay. For the last 2 weeks, I think I counted the tank level as 1 point. Yeah, 1 point. And I was hoping to do 3 points. So I did 1 out of 3 for 1 week, and 3 for the next week is 1 out of 6. Let's say 2 out of 10 I'll agree with. And I'll go with 7 for the team, sure. And the process improvement, I'll agree that we need to either do some outreach or make it so that people are interested in showing up and participating. And I guess that's about it for the formal. You want crosstalk recorded or no recording? You're still muted.
No.
Nope. Okay. I'm going to hit stop recording. And yeah,